Ever find yourself wondering why that pesky check engine light just won't turn off? Or why the brakes seem to be squeaking just a bit more than usual? Welcome to a deep dive into the world of auto repair, where the mysteries of your vehicle's problems get unraveled. Today, we're focusing on how to make auto repairs more efficient, because time, as they say, is money. Tip number 1 is all about organization. A cluttered workspace can not only slow down repair time, but can also pose safety risks. So keep those tools neatly arranged and make sure you have a clear, clean space to work in. The second tip is about investing in quality tools. It's tempting to go for the cheaper options, but quality tools not only last longer, they also make the job easier and faster. Remember, a craftsman is only as good as his tools. Moving on to tip number 3, stay up to date with the latest technology. Modern cars are complex machines, and staying current with the latest diagnostic tools and software can make identifying and fixing problems a whole lot quicker. The fourth tip is about communication. If you're working in a team, clear and efficient communication is key. Misunderstandings can lead to mistakes, which can cost time and money. And the fifth tip? Continuous learning. The automotive industry is always evolving, and so should you. Regular training and upskilling will keep you at the top of your game and ensure you can tackle any repair job that comes your way. And finally, always maintain a customer-first approach. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's also about quality. Customers appreciate transparency, honesty, and a job well done. So, to summarize, organization is key. A clean, organized workspace can drastically improve repair times. Invest in quality tools. They might be more expensive, but they can save time and money in the long run. Stay current with technology. Modern cars are complex, and having the latest diagnostic tools can make repairs quicker and more efficient. Communicate clearly if you're working in a team. Misunderstandings can lead to costly mistakes. Never stop learning. The automotive industry is always changing, so continuous training is a must. And lastly, always put the customer first. Efficiency is about more than just speed. It's also about quality of service. By following these tips, anyone can make their auto repair process more efficient. Remember, in the world of auto repair, time is money. But with a little organization, the right tools, and a commitment to learning and communication, you can become the most efficient auto repair shop on the block. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.